When you're buying a property or preparing for a significant investment, choosing the right survey matters. Do you go for a level 2 or a level 3 survey? And how do you know which is the right fit? I'm Faye Williams, Director at Clarke Chartered Surveyors. In this video, we'll walk through what each survey covers, how they differ, when it makes sense to choose each type, typical costs and timeframes, and how the results influence your buying decisions. Let's get started and help you make an informed choice. So, what exactly are we talking about when we say level 2 or level 3 surveys? At Clarke, both are carried out by qualified building surveyors and involve a non-intrusive visual inspection of the property. A level 2 survey, sometimes called a HomeBuyer Report, provides an overview of the property's condition and what the building is made of, flags visible defects and how to fix them, and gives advice and guidance on ongoing maintenance. It's important to mention that level 2 surveys don't generally include costings for remedial works or deeply detailed inspections of every element. A level 3 survey, also known as a building survey, includes everything in a level 2 survey, plus much more detail. We try to access all areas of the property where it is safe to do so, and we have much more time to carry out a more thorough and bespoke inspection. Additionally, we will provide cost estimates for remedial works and far more tailored commentary. Level 3 surveys are more suited for larger, older or more complex properties. If you're planning significant alterations, or you simply want that next level detail in your report. In short, Level 2 surveys give you a professional health check. Level 3 gives you a full diagnostic and a roadmap. Let's dive into how the inspections and reports differ in a little more detail. So the roof space inspection. A Level 2 survey might only cover accessible parts, whereas a Level 3 survey allows time to tackle trickier areas when safe to do so. With windows and doors, a Level 2 survey may sample a few windows, whereas a Level 3 survey enables us to inspect all openable windows and doors and give more detailed descriptions. With services and energy efficiency, Level 2 gives an overview, and a Level 3 goes deeper and may include commentary on energy efficiency, layout of services, and more cost estimates. Typically, these are only included in your Level 3 survey. If you want to price chip or negotiate based on defects, you'll need those estimates. Time and detail. Level 3 surveys take more time and therefore cost a bit more, but it gives a fuller picture. Knowing these differences will help you match the survey to the property and your risk tolerance. So which survey is right for you? Here's how to decide. You should opt for a Level 2 survey if the property appears in good condition, is relatively modern, say built in the last 100 years or so, simple in construction, and you're comfortable that major defects are unlikely. This is suitable in many straightforward cases, and our team will let you know if this isn't suitable. Choose a Level 3 survey if the property is older, large, or has multiple extensions. You suspect hidden defects, have a few worries, or it's complex construction. You might be planning extensive alterations, or just want a very detailed picture. Or your budget is stretched and you want to avoid future surprises that you may not be able to afford to put right. Also, if you're buying a property at the upper end of your budget, or one that looks good on the surface but you're unsure about the underneath, the extra detail of a Level 3 survey may provide you the peace of mind you need. Choosing incorrectly can cost you. Either you pay far more than you need to, or you underinvest and get caught out. Costs and timeframes vary widely depending on the property's size, location, condition, and complexity. Level 3 surveys cost more than Level 2 surveys because of the additional time on site and higher level of detail. Always ask for a clear written quote and ensure you're comparing like-for-like services. And check what the report includes. Remember, the cheapest quote isn't always the best if it lacks depth or clarity. So how do you use the survey results to guide your buying decision? Use defect findings to negotiate price reductions or even withdraw if the risk is too high. Level 3 surveys are particularly useful here because they often include cost estimates. They help you plan for future works. A more detailed survey gives you a roadmap for maintenance, refurbishment or upgrades, helping you budget and schedule. It informs your legal advisor. The report can help identify issues previously unknown that your conveyancer might need to raise with the vendor. And risk management. If you're buying a property to let or develop, understanding condition gives you an understanding of future liability. A survey is not just a tick box. It's a key decision tool. The right survey gives you confidence and negotiating power. The wrong one can leave you exposed. In short, a Level 2 survey is a great starting point for properties that appear straightforward, and a Level 3 survey is the smart choice for those where you want detail, assurance and deeper insight. At Harris & Clarke, we help you choose the right level and deliver clear, actionable reports. If you'd like help deciding which survey is right for your purchase or want to discuss your particular property, our team is here to help. Please like, subscribe and turn on notifications if you found this helpful. And get in touch with us at Harris & Clarke for expert guidance. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.